India's varied folk art forms have narrated stories for centuries through vibrant visual representation. And while each one is culturally significant and beautiful in its own way, Fard painting of Rajasthan particularly stands out for its unique history, origin, and the efforts put into its revival. Fard painting is one of the few surviving scroll painting art form in the world. Fard finds its origins in Shahpura in the Bilwara region. Its 700 plus year old legacy has been passed down over generations of a single family. This art of scroll painting narrates and then elaborates upon religious stories of local deities. One unique feature of this art form is that the human figures in these paintings always face each other and not the audience or viewer. The size of the figures in these paintings vary as per the importance of the character in the story. Traditionally, these paintings were created on canvas, cotton, or khadi cloth using vegetable dyes. Art forms like Fard preserve folklore and stories that have travelled through centuries and reflect India's glorious civilizational culture. Pencraft has introduced a contemporary way to create this artwork on various surfaces. With a proper understanding of the process to develop a Fard painting and giving it an artistic look, you can make your personalized designs. Once you master the art of making these art forms, you are set on the path of selling or gifting them and running your own business. During this Pencraft Fard, you will learn to make Dev Narayan Ji on canvas, Babu Ji on hand mirror, Ram Lakshmana and Sita on paper, woman on swing. Different border designs on paper,